Yeah, hi. I'm Mr. Roslie from Automotive Engineering. Today I'm going to showcase to you about what we're going to be doing in our course. So here are my students. Right, Rupian, Isaac. Right, they are doing service and maintenance. Alright, on the brake system. So here, right, they are inspecting the brake pads. Alright, and how to check whether it is serviceable and it is good enough, right, to be driven on the road. And over here, we are doing a maintenance of car and we are doing a basic inspection during a routine service maintenance. Over here is Leo.
Okay, so now we're going to check the engine oil to ensure that there's enough lubrication for the engine to run smoothly.
So over here, of course, we're going to be doing some safety checks, alright, especially on the tires and the brakes, which are essential when the car is on the road. That is one of those things that we're going to learn while we are maintaining our car in Automotive Technology.